Welcome to Swift Home Finds. Ready to revolutionize your kitchen? We've analyzed expert data from Wirecutter and America's Test Kitchen to bring you the smartest gadgets that actually save you time and money. You can find links to the best deals available right now in the description below. But make sure to stay until the very end. Our final two picks are absolute game changers you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. Number 15, Clevli No Drip Honey Dispenser. Starting at number 15, we're solving the sticky finger problem. Everyone loves honey, but nobody loves the sticky mess it leaves on the counter. The Clevli No Drip Glass Dispenser is a simple mechanical fix. Unlike squeeze bottles that clog or jars that drip, this uses a bottom release trigger. Epicurious reviewers often highlight this design because it uses gravity to keep the seal airtight. It's elegant, mess-free, and honestly, satisfying to use. Number 14, Moss & Stone Electric Crepe Maker. At 14, if you think making crepes or tortillas at home is a chore, you're using the wrong heat source. The Moss & Stone Crepe Maker is a specialized non-stick plate that gives you that perfectly even, paper-thin result every time. While America's Test Kitchen usually prefers cast iron, they admit that for beginners, the temperature control of an electric plate like this is the only way to avoid the dreaded burnt middle raw edge syndrome. It's breakfast upgraded. Number 13 is a viral sensation for a reason, the Luvan flip jar. If you've ever gone fishing in a pickle jar with a fork, you know the struggle. This jar features an hourglass design with a strainer in the middle. Flip it to serve and the juice stays at the bottom. Flip it back to store and your pickles stay submerged and fresh. It's a low-tech solution to a high annoyance problem that serious eats enthusiasts swear by for preserving fermented foods. Number 12. Audecook Electric Pot. Coming into 12, the Audecook Electric Pot. This is for the dorm dwellers, the office lunchers, or the one-pot meal fans. It's a portable, non-stick ceramic pot that can sauté, steam, and boil. What makes it a find is the dual power setting. It's designed not to trip breakers in older buildings. Reviewers across the board love it for its versatility. You can literally cook a steak and steam broccoli in the same footprint as a toaster. Number 11. Yarramate 2-in-1 Oil Sprayer and Dispenser. Most oil sprayers use aerosol propellants or they clog after 2 uses. The Yarramate is a glass 2-in-1 that allows you to pour for heavy cooking or spray a fine mist for air frying. Wirecutter testers consistently recommend non-aerosol sprayers because they are better for your non-stick pans and your health. This is the swift way to control your calories without sacrificing flavor. Number 10, 3-in-1 Cheese Grater and Garlic Crusher. At 10, we have a multi-tool that actually works. Most 3-in-1 gadgets are mediocre at everything, but this joined cheese grater and garlic crusher set focuses on ergonomic leverage. For anyone with arthritis or grip issues, this is a lifesaver. It's a design that mimics high-end European tools, often featured in Food and Wine magazine for their efficiency in small prep work. Number 9. Adjustable Meat and Bread Slicer. Number 9 brings Deli-Quality precision to your kitchen. If you buy bulk meat or bake your own sourdough, you know manual slicing is inconsistent. This thickness-adjustable stainless steel slicer lets you go from paper-thin prosciutto to thick Texas toast. While professional meat slicers cost $500, this manual version is the smart research choice for home cooks who want professional aesthetics without the commercial price tag. Number 8, the Chicken Shredder Pro. At number 8, we're saving your wrists. Shredding chicken with 2 forks is a 10-minute job that leaves your hands cramping. This BPA-free chicken shredder does the entire breast in about 4 rotations. It's a swift decision for meal preppers. Social media is obsessed with this, but the real win is the anti-slip base. It stays put while you work, which is a major safety feature often overlooked in cheaper versions. Number 7 is a classic for a reason, the OXO Good Grips Apple Slicer. It's a perennial favorite at America's Test Kitchen because of the raised handles. Most slicers force your knuckles into the cutting board. OXO raises the handle so you can push all the way through the fruit safely. It's the gold standard for ergonomics. If you have kids who eat an apple a day, this saves you 15 minutes a week, period. At number 6, we're ending the cake heartbreak once and for all. If you've ever spent hours baking a beautiful cake only to have it crumble and break because it's stuck to the bottom of the pan, this is your new best friend. This is the quick release easy out cake pan set. Number 5 is the Space Saver's Dream, the Predolo 4-in-1 set. It's a mixing bowl, a colander, and a grater all in one. But here's the smart part. The grater lids sit directly on the bowl, so your veggies fall straight into the container. No extra plates to clean. It's the definition of smart research, minimizing the steps between prep and cooking. Number 4. OXO Soap Dispensing Dish Brush. Coming in at 4, the OXO Soap Dispensing Brush. This is the only cleaning tool Wirecutter calls a must-have. It keeps your hands out of the greasy water and dispenses soap with a button press. The leak-proof seal is the differentiator here. Cheap versions leak soap all over your sink. This one doesn't. It makes the worst part of cooking, the cleanup, go twice as fast. Number 3, Seropy Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack. And number 3, the Seropy Roll-Up Rack. If you have a small kitchen, you know the traditional drying racks take up 50% of your counter. This stainless steel rack sits over your sink. It's heat resistant up to 400 degrees, meaning it doubles as a trivet for hot pans. When you're done, roll it up and put it in a drawer. It's been a Wirecutter top pick for years because it's virtually indestructible. Number 2, heat-resistant foldable silicone trivets. Coming in at number 2, we're saving your expensive countertops from permanent heat damage without cluttering your drawers. These heat-resistant foldable silicone trivets are the ultimate find for a smart kitchen. The Bonsenkitchen Vacuum Sealer. In 2026 and beyond, food waste is just throwing money away. This machine pays for itself in a month. Wirecutter recommends this specific model because it's compact and faster than industrial versions. It prevents freezer burn and allows you to buy in bulk. If you want to simplify your life, save money, and eat fresher food, this is the most important tool you can own. Is the fridge genius you didn't know you needed, the auto-rolling egg container. If you're tired of digging through flimsy cardboard cartons or cracking eggs in the back of your fridge, this is your solution. It uses a gentle, gravity-fed slope, so your eggs automatically roll forward for easy access. No more reaching. It's stackable, made of food-grade clear plastic, and even features a freshness style on the lid, so you know exactly when to replenish. Wirecutter experts love these vertical organizers because they maximize dead space in your fridge. It's clean, it's organized, and it's a total swift find for a tidy kitchen. And finally, we have the ultimate money saver, the automatic nut milk maker machine. Stop paying $7 for store-bought milk that's filled with gums, oils, and sugar. This machine lets you create fresh almond, oat, or soy milk in minutes with zero mess and zero straining. Serious Eats nutritionists emphasize that homemade milk is far superior in taste and nutrients. It even has a self-cleaning function. It's the smartest way to take control of your health while cutting your grocery bill in half. This is the definition of your home simplified. There you have it, gadgets that actually work, backed by science and rigorous testing. I've placed the Amazon links to all these finds in the description below so you can check the current deals. By using those links, you support Swift Home Finds at no extra cost to you, allowing us to keep testing and researching. Remember, don't just buy gadgets, buy solutions. And this is Swift Home Finds. Smart research, swift decisions. Your home simplified. Hit that subscribe button for more deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one.